Hello dear students, today we see about Green Revolution, okay? It is a major project of our India. So during, okay, it's a brainchild of Nehru, okay? So during his prime ministership, his thought only that is Green Revolution. Then the agriculture is the main weapon of this green revolution. So the word agriculture is derived from the Latin word agar and culture, the two words. Okay, agar means soil and culture means tilling. So totally tilling the soil or land cultivation is the meaning of agriculture. Okay, let me see about the new methods of agriculture. What are the new methods of agriculture used to green revolution? Okay. So, in order to using the machines like tractors, like the soil compact and thereby make it harder for roots, air and water penetrate. It is there is spectacular progress in agriculture giving better varieties of crops and high yielding varieties of seeds and application of fertilizers on account of introduction of scientific methods of cultivation. Then Green Revolution was occurred in India since 1967 to 68. So new methods of agriculture is one of the concept of Green Revolution. Then the major one is increase in agriculture production. It also one of the main aspect of Green Revolution. Then is GR. GR means this Green Revolution. It otherwise called as Wheat Revolution. That is WR. And the word wheat, that is Wheat Revolution, was coined by Indira Gandhi using the stamp entitled Wheat Revolution in July 1968. Then Dr. William Grant, an American scientist, called the increased productivity as Green Revolution. So in 1963, Mr. Swaminathan, the director of Indian Agriculture Research Institute, that is IARI, in New Delhi, imported the draft wheat from International Wheat Research Center in Mexico for its own breeding program. Then there is Agriculture Food Production Board of Ministry of Food and Agriculture formulated a program under the name of Incentive Agricultural Area Program, that is IAAP, in the year 1964-65. Then C. Subramanian, the Minister of Food and Agriculture, drafted the new agriculture strategy that formed the basis of Green Revolution. And also he introduced HYV, that is High Yield Varieties Program. Then in 1963, the Indian Agricultural Research Institute in New Delhi imported a selection of draft wheats, Lerma Rojo 64 and Sonara 643 from International Wheat Research Center in Mexico and Philippines for its own breeding program. These were greeted as miracle seeds. Multi-cropping program. The multiple cropping program investigates the more crops per year per hectare are raised. The basic needs of the strategy are the development in irrigation, increased use of fertilizer, proper adoption of water management. Then the integrated development of dry areas, that is IDDP. The integrated development of dry areas was launched in 1970 to 71. The development efforts under this program involve the land consolidation and soil conservation, addition of plant nutrients, use of improved seeds and short duration crops, and populations of crops like soybean, wheat, maize, castor, sunflower, cotton, cashew nuts, oil palms, dates, and grasses. Plant protection measures. The plant production forms an important part of increased production. The plant production program includes seed treatment, intensive aerial and ground spraying, weed control and rodent control. So efforts are made to popularize effective weed control through these herbicides. Increased use of fertilizer. So to increase the crop yield, fertilizers are extensively used by the farmers. A scientific type of manuring based on the needs of crop is must for Indian agriculture. Soil in India is deficient in nitrogen and phosphorus. The new irrigation concept, the new agriculture strategy mainly depend on assured water supply and mechanization of agricultural operations. The extension of irrigation facilities has not only brought more lands under cultivation, but also facilitate double or multiple cropping, thereby contributed into the production. Water management. The water management, M.S. Swaminathan played a vital role in grain revolution in India. He extensively carried out research to produce new rice varieties and rice production increased sustainably. It can be also cover the area newly reclaimed by flood control, drainage and soil conservation measures. It impiles plant development, agriculture production, land shaping and construction of channels. Indian farmer is poorly equipped with machinery and implements. So instead of using bullock, rapid mechanism of agriculture is affected is blocking, sowing and harvesting. Thank you everyone.